Ooh, she sells seashells by the seashore with Gerardo's AI. Oh yeah, she sells seashells by the seashore with a smile and a sharp that you just can't ignore. But imagine her shells now digital and bright. With Gerardo's AI, she shines in the light. Gerardo's AI, where the sea waves roll, helping her connect right to the soul with analytics so sharp. Like the edge of a shell, she knows her customers oh so well. She sells seashells on the seashore. She knows her customers oh so well. Gerardo's AI makes the calls. It guides her business so strong and so clear, too clear to every seashell lover far and near. So sharp like the edge of the shell, she knows her customers oh so well. She sells more shells than ever before. Thanks to the AI, sales do soar. And as each wave breaks along the shore, her app tunes in to find out more. So here's to the shells, and here's to the sea. Here's to the app that lets her be free. For every shell has a story to tell, and Gerardo's